No, sadly, we haven't gone to the airport to catch a flight anywhere. Never mind. It has been discussed for next year, so fingers crossed that one pulls off. That is a must. That's in the bank for future. Yes, we're back. This time a brand new location, never been. We're in the Peak District because there is kind of like a rainstorm that's hitting the whole west coast. So the Lake District, North Wales, is like a complete and utter washout. So we've decided to shoot over to the other side, come give the peaks a try out, and tonight's camp should be on Kinder Scout. Currently walking on the Pennine Way, heading towards there, and by popular demand of his missus to kick him out the house, we've got James back with us on this one, with all his new clobber, etc. And another new tent. This seems to be a common theme at the moment. There's a lot of new tents going on at the minute. Super looking forward to camp. Nice food to cook again. Not the same as last time. Something a little bit different, but it's not ration pack or that. It's all good. It's getting a wee bit windy. There's nothing too mental on this one. The heavens are meant to open up later. But we should be all pitched up and settled down by then. But yes, welcome to the Peak District. Lovely. Just turned off that path, which is the Pennine Way, and we took a right and are heading up this fence line, which then shoots slightly off to the right. That will put us up on the ridge, and then from there straight walk to Kinder Scout. But before that, Lower Scout, so we'll bag that at the trig point and then on to camp. Nice drink. Beautiful, the peaks at the minute. Lovely. Something about it just quite isn't like the Lake District though. It's not quite there, but it's still lovely. Upwards and upwards. Right, that path we just took, coming off the Pennine Pass. Apologies if I'm shouting and it sounds like I'm shouting. It's rather windy up here. I've seen us come to Grindslow Knoll, little summit here, and then over in the Clag, back in the Scout. There's a path just behind us that we're going to take to get to Kinder Scout. First off, let's bag our first Peak District summit. Grindslow Knoll. And there's no little cairn or anything. There we have it. I don't know if you can see the path. Up to there. Scout. And we've also got the path here, which you could go that way, but that's the more direct one there on the left. So we're going to take that one. A well-preserved path. What a route. If only if every path was like this, eh? This is beautiful. Came off a path for a minute as we were walking down. You seen all these big boulders and this one facing it. We were like, oh my god, look at this leakage. Looking out into the valley. We were like, go back. Scout and come back here if we can get some sort tents in. Don't think we can. It's not even ground. Nothing better than a pee with a view. Yeah, quick 5 minutes, get the bugs off. Easy, quick, get there for a picture in a minute. Yeah, I'm liking the Peak District. I'm liking it. It's not, like I've already said, it's not quite like the lakes. It's not got that wow factor, but it is still actually really nice. It's really good run. I really like it. No, there's loads of shite. I can't think to get rid of it though. I've got a bag big enough. There's like unused disposable barbies and barbies. Yeah, it's obviously a sight for arseholes. But yeah, go up there, get a picture and that. Beautiful. Woo. I don't really even know what to say about this place. Just full of big boulders and stuff. It's actually quite awesome. Very very boggy in places and the path stops, but it's such a cool place. Love it. But yeah, it looks like they're doing works here at the minute with the path. I'm going to take it all the way through here. There's bags and that everywhere full of stuff. Where's the foot? Means, ways and means. A little maze, this boulder field. Bloody awesome. It's definitely made this hike more interesting anyway. Boring in the slightest. Well, back out to view. That's right, I'll just follow through. And we'll get back on the lovely stoned path. Before we head over to the right for Kinder Scout, that is the trig point for Kinder Low. So we will go and bag that one, tag that one, and that's 2 summits in the Peak District today, and then we'll go do Kinder Scout as well. Lovely jubbly. Very muddy and boggy. Got the right idea down in there. Hey. Kinder Low. Get a bag. There we go. Second one in the Peaks. So now we need to press on that way to Kinder Scout. Hey! No! rain and that come out of nowhere then. Look at how that was it. Was a bit of a struggle, as you could tell. I'm in, I'm dry now and changed and warm. Wind's blowing from behind me there, so the door hears sound. Be able to do a bit of cooking, but woo, it's definitely another windy and wet one. Awesome. As you're wondering, my socks are hanging up, they got a little bit wet, so I'm hoping they'll be dry. I've got a spare pair on, so it's all good. But yeah, looks like we're in the tent all night. Just got to get a nice hot brew on. Same setup as last time. That's a pin door open there, peg in there, and then ventilate from up there, ventilate from up there, ventilate from there, and ventilation on the inside. Woo! What have I got to drink? Standard caramel latte. Or as Dustpan would say, caramel latte. Sorry, Dustpan. Oh, I need to get a new hat. I'm starting to really dislike this one. It's losing all its shape and everything. Good thing. Real good signal where we are, just off Kinder Scout. So it'll be some Winter Olympics and TV, because we've got hours to kill, because, well, the weather made us pitch a hell of a lot earlier than expected, about an hour earlier. That's nice. Can't be bothered pouring it into the small one again. I'm going to lose light in about 20 minutes, sundown in about 20 minutes. Not that there's much sun, but obviously it'll start going dark. I need to go through what I've got for food tonight. We'll get the boring one out the way first. Breakfast. An all day breakfast. Something just nice, quick and easy. Tonight we've got the famous tin foil again. And in here we have 50-60% preserved seeded rolls, 2 of those. Not making the same mistake as last time. I'm bringing one set. Then I've lost half of it. Fuck. Then tonight we've got 4 smash burgers. So we're going to be having double cheeseburgers tonight on a seeded bun. Now I have got the cheese somewhere. Oh, here it is. Again, a full pack of the mature cheddar slices. They're lovely, they are. So yes, double cheeseburgers tonight. Oh, and then followed by a chocolate pudding. A nice chocolate pudding. I hope you can hear me. I've not put my mic on with the wind and the rain. And we've also got crispy chunks. That's like the caramelized one. We've got pepperoni, pepperoni, that's the baby that calling them pepperoni. Can I have a pepperoni, Dad? Pepperoni. Yes. So, food in a bit, because the wind's coming right from behind, so I'm perfect to cook. I just done my drink with no issues at all, apart from a bit of grass. Just before we lose light and the rain's died off a bit, I thought I'd open up the door, have a little Bobby Butcher's outside and show you. Soft lads, new tent, the old Vern one. Look, he's even got the trekkie poles holding them up. Here he comes. Hey. Here he comes. She's standing strong. She looks nice, mate. Nice tent. It looks like big vesty. Big vestibulage.
What a pull off.
Stick that up properly. Got my socks and face. Got shitters up there because they got bloody wet. Whoop! But yes, Optimus Nomad V2, Vern 1 over there. Very smart. Not budging. Put the door in that wide open because the wind's just flying over. The rain is pretty much stopped. But I forgot to say, we're going to have a little drink of Rooney's tonight. We've got Brewdog Wingman Tropical Storm Double IPA. That one's first. And then with the double cheeseburgers, we are going with Jubel beer cut with peach. I like the sound of that one more just because I love peach. So that is having. They're going to be drank with the cheeseburgers in a bit. I'll whip this one open.
Tastes alright, this one's pretty good.
Is it alright? Yeah, lovely IPA. Cheers. Whoa! Jesus! There's no give at the minute. Oh no! Relentless out there at the minute. Relentless. As you can probably hear, still got my brew. Beverage. La 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 la. Don't fancy any food or that just yet, especially when the men's curling's on for gold.
Laughter, Bruce and Brad.
Yeah.
Bruce doesn't need it when he's in the head.
Gotta love the curling in the Winter Olympics. You need to adapt and overcome here. With the boots being slightly wet, I don't want to get these socks wet. So luckily I've got my dry bags. I have to put them on there and do that. Oh, now let's have a look what's going on, why this rain stopped. Yikes! Alright, let's check these guides. Taking it apart on this side. Not really budging. Guys, nice and tight. No, it's not nice and tight actually. They're all a little bit slacked off, which is perfect. Optimus should have barely budging on this side. Down it's with me. Let's see how the bird's getting on. Here we go, the old firm one. Trekking poles in doing their thing. She's looking good. Shout, you got a bag down there, lad.
Nice one.
And you got all this hanging out.
Yeah, do's a fit.
Gives a peg.
Yeah,
Black butter, peg his little storm strap out. So the old Lord tent. Stunning looking tent. Then one. Well, neither tent is budging, to be fair. Right, gonna peg his thing in and go for a pee, and then he back inside, watch the rest of the curling. Go on, lad.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Once you've done that, can you throw that up there? Or shot it in there for?
Yes, there he is. Living the dream. Time to cook. Time to get some burgers on. Right, so we've got the smash burgers on, you know, you guessed it, the old grill again. I was very tempted to get them pepper steaks again for the last video. If you've not seen it, go back a video. What a meal that was. It's just going to be the same old, just going to cook some scran and then and watching the curling still at the halfway point, losing by 1. I'm going to need them. Let's get these burgers on. Oh, they're cooking nicely. We're now winning 5-4. Look at that. I am going to have to do something about all this fat and that on there, but I'll get rid of that one way or another. But we're doing well, we're cooking. Cooking nicely down here. Look at the steam. Oh yes. The smell is absolutely stunning, the smell. Can't wait to tuck into this one again. And not again, but like from the last camp with the peppered steak. Just, oh, I can't wait to tuck in. Oh well, flappy flaps there. Still watching the curling as well. Fucking getting a pounding though of this wind. Yes! It's time for the old cheese. Oh, the aroma. Looking forward to this one. Cheese! Right, there we go. We need to make this a double cheeseburger, so we're gonna quickly lift that up. We're gonna throw that one in there. We're gonna put that on there. And then we're going to come in with the second one, and then we're going to just let that melt a little. Oh, stupid idea. The cheese just got stuck all up here. This spork is actually for the morning's grub, but I've had to whip it out for usage. Look at state of play. Right. I need to get, oh, this is hot. Ah! Right, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to have to get Sporky to help me out here. Oh, oh, carnage. Get that up there. Get bun on there and just give that a wee little toast.
Just fucking eat it.
Right, yes, that's warmed up a little bit. Right, let's turn gas off. Gas off. Oh, oh, look at that.
That looks warm.
Yes. Right, let's give it a whirl. No.
What percentage are you now, lad?
Yeah, 90, mate.
Hey!
I've not been having the best day or the best camp, so I've been a bit down, but this has just lifted all spirits high. Ah, oh, that is so good. Ah.
Makes me happy to see you happy, lad.
And it's going to be even better with a peach beer. Ah, oh, that is
bloody good point, that lad.
And I've still got two smash burgers and a bun left and plenty of cheese. I am so making another one. Oh, cheers everybody.
Cheers, fella.
Cheers, lad. Oh my god, that's amazing, that one.
Good.
Yeah, that's better than the last one.
Oh yeah.
That's lovely.
Beer,
Look,
it's not ale.
that's lovely, that, innit?
Beer.
That's lovely, but what I am going to do is let's just put that one there for a minute and stick that in there, right? So it's stable. Oh,
Beep.
Same old, guys. As always, you're not just gonna sit there and watch me eat the whole thing. Eat this, I'm gonna cut the other two, I'm gonna have that, watch the rest of me curling, and enjoy that lovely peach lager. That is lovely, that is. So, oh, 2 minutes before the alarm's going off. Morning all. I only didn't say night last night, I kind of just turned over and went to sleep. Woke a few times. With the wind and that, not major, it was half a decent sleep. I've got my brekkie in. Brekkie's warming up there. And then, once that's done, I'll use that water for a nice latte. Get packed down and get moving. Yeah, all in all, it was actually quite good, considering the weather. As you can probably hear, nothing's really changed. It's still blowing a hoolie. So, gotta go and pack down. Go back inside. Whoa! Crazy! Oh, not the nicest of mornings again. All empty on the inside. You all empty as well? Yeah. There, just need to put tents down, pack my bag, and head that way into the flag as always. Towards the car we go. Let's get these down by the R gods are on our side at the moment. Shh. Leave. No. Trace. It's one down. One more to go. Oh, and a missed peg. Oh, no, it was a peg I lent. Yes, so get this one down and then we can start heading back. It was an alright camp considering the wind and the rain. Actually slept quite well. I didn't say night or nothing, didn't have any chocolate pudding. I just kind of it was gone. Tired. About halfway back towards the car, but we've decided just up there we could have gone back the way that we came yesterday, but instead we're going to take it right up onto the ridge line and then follow that ridge line all the way down, and that'll drop us into Edale where the car's parked. So it just changes things up a little bit instead of being the same back as yesterday. Yeah, it's quite pleasant now. The skies opened up a bit. It's a little bit chilly on the wind. Beautiful. And we literally just need to get to, I think it's there, the car park. Down there. Lovely. Back. Down we go.
Are you okay? Are you?
We're back on the Pennine Way path at the start, just up from the Nag's Head pub. It's safe to say that was a mental camp. The wind and rain all night, but both Optimus Nomad and the firm one held strong, and I ended up getting a good sleep. So once again, thanks very much for watching. Gonna wrap this one up here because car park's literally just down here. Probably gonna stop off and grab a drink or shop for the cafe. So hit that like button, hit that bloody subscribe button, pretty please. I asked nicely there. And come and join the journey of wild camping and hikes. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys. See you on the next one.